Hi, this is Dr. Maria Perri here with Exploring Wellness, and I'd like to talk about balancing hip flexor tension. So the hip flexors are like fans, and when we sit a lot, the fan closes so that when we go to stand up, they get to be very tight. Just like in our sequence with everything else, what we're going to do is to first recognize the tension in the hip flexor and put the hip flexor into a position of a little bit of slack. So right now, by flexing the knee closer to the chest, I'm putting slack in that right hip flexor. I would hold that for a minute to two. I'm not going to hold it full time now. And then I would do what's called an integrated positional release, which is where I'll put my foot up on a chair and press into that hip so that that hip starts to open. And then I will hold that position for 1 minute. So while I'm in that position, I'm breathing, I'm pressing down into my feet, I'm really lifting up my spine, and just bringing my awareness with every breath in to that area. So as I breathe in, I relax a little bit. As I exhale, I press the knee to the ground, and I push the hip a little bit further forward. And again, I'll hold that for 1 minute. And then what we want to do, so we've slacked, we've stretched. Now what I want to do is to put that hip flexor into motion. And the best way to put that hip flexor into motion is to do a little bit of a hip hinge, press into the feet, and really open up the hips. Hold it for a breath. And again, press into the feet, do a little bit of a hip hinge, and again, open up those hips. And then what we want to do is put it into movement. How would we do that? You guessed it. We would just do walking with a wide stance. So walking with a wide stance, swinging the arms to open up